welcome back to Progressional Grace TV. It's a wonderful place to be. I still remain your brother Stanley Chibo, and today we have a resource person in the house, in the person of Sir. Please introduce yourself.
Okay, thank you so much, my brother. My name is Victor, and I am a content creator and a YouTuber. My YouTube channel is Global Mandate Network, and it's so good and so nice to be here.
Okay, wow, thank you for coming to Professional Grace TV. I'm glad to have you. Alright, and in today's video, we'll be talking about a special topic, and the topic is how to develop yourself, or how to work on yourself, or how to improve yourself. Sir, I have a question for you. What is development and what is self-improvement?
Alright, thank you so much for that question, my brother. When we're talking about development simply means a process of developing or being developed.
Exactly.
And to develop means to evolve. To develop means to evolve.
That's right.
To move from one point to the other. So when we are talking about self-development, we are talking about consciously moving yourself.
That's right.
From where you are to where you want to be in the place of destiny.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Thank
Wow.
you.
That's good. I'm impressed. I
Yeah.
must confess that I've learned a lot from you.
Thank
Just
you
these
so
few
much.
words you
Thank
said
you so
now.
much.
Alright, so we have a lot of ways by which one can improve his or herself.
Exactly.
Please, can you tell me some points? Yeah.
Okay, some ways
Yeah,
we can
improve ourselves, or one can improve his or herself.
All
This is
right.
our contemporary world.
Alright, thank you so much for that question once
Yeah.
again. Is it just like you said,
Yeah.
there are many ways,
There are many
but we're
ways.
going to itemize a few of them.
Sure.
And one of the ways you can develop yourself is, number one, by overcoming your fears. Overcoming your fears. Number two, by learning new things. Number three is get out of your comfort zone. And then number four is identify your weak points.
That's right.
So I'm going to be talking about these 4 ways of developing yourself. Remember, number one I talked about is overcoming your fears.
That's right.
You know, I've never seen a fearful person that achieved anything in life.
That's right.
I've never seen a fearful person that is able to face his or her challenges. The moment they see things that they feel are greater than them, they take off. There's no way you can succeed. There's no way you can develop yourself when you cannot face your fears, when you cannot face your challenges. So one of the ways of developing yourself is by standing up to those things that you feel are greater than you.
That's right.
There are people that they cannot go to places because they will see new people.
Yeah.
They cannot go to places because they will be looking at themselves and they will be like, people will see me, I'm not good enough, I'm not dressed properly, I can't speak good English, and then they are always running into their shell. You can't develop yourself when you're not ready to develop yourself. You must tell yourself, I am enough.
That's right.
I am capable. I am able. Is that understood?
Yeah.
I don't know if I'm making sense.
So you're making a point.
Alright,
Yeah.
alright. So the second one I talked about is you must be ready to learn new things. You must be ready to learn new things. There are people that they are so comfortable with what they know.
And it's not good.
It's very bad. You cannot develop when you are comfortable with where you are.
Yeah, you cannot improve yourself.
Exactly. You need to learn new things. There are people that, I don't know how to put it now, but they are always looking at themselves like they've arrived.
Yeah.
They are above, or they are above everyone else. The truth of the matter is, you can learn from people ahead of you, and you can learn from people that are below you.
Sure.
So
Exactly.
you can't tell yourself, I am on top. No one can do better than me.
Yeah.
You must be ready to learn new things. You know, these are ways you can develop
Yeah, you
yourself.
must be able to expand your horizon.
Exactly, expand your horizon. You don't know it all.
Yes.
Until you realize and accept the fact that you don't know it all, you can't develop.
As a matter of fact, no man is a bosom of wisdom.
Oh my God, no man is an island.
No man is an island.
So when you make yourself a pharaoh, a king of all trade, or a jack of all trade, what will happen? You will not develop.
In fact, the person will become a Nebuchadnezzar in the desert.
This is it. You cannot develop. So this is what we're talking about.
Yeah.
So the third point I talked about is get out of your comfort zone.
Yeah.
There are people that when they pass level 1, they get to level 2,
Yeah.
they get to level 3,
Yeah.
they start rejoicing.
Yeah.
We have made it. Get out of your comfort zone. Level 3 is not the end of the levels we have. We have level 4, we have level 5, we have level 6.
Yeah.
Why are you celebrating mediocrity? There is a place for more.
Yeah, room for expansion.
Exactly, there is room for expansion.
Yeah.
Don't be comfortable with the fact that success is not a destination. I don't know if I'm making sense. Success is not a destination. Success is a journey.
That's right.
So you get to this point, you set another goal to get to the next point. You set another goal. That is how you develop.
Sure.
Development is a process. I don't know if I said it before. It's a process.
It's a process.
Exactly. So if you want to develop yourself, then you have to be ready. Overcome your fears.
Sure.
Learn new things. Get out of your comfort zone. Lastly, very, very important, you have to identify your weak points.
That's right. Identify your weak points. Weaknesses.
You have weaknesses.
Yeah.
I have weaknesses.
Sure.
So there are people that they don't always agree to that. They tell themselves, oh, I'm good enough.
No, as a matter of fact, no man is sufficient enough.
Exactly.
We need each other.
Exactly. So I'm not just saying you should identify your weaknesses and celebrate them.
Yeah.
You identify your weaknesses, you work on them.
Yes, and concentrate more on your strength.
Exactly. Concentrate on your strengths. Identify your weaknesses, work on your weaknesses, get better.
Yeah.
You see, people
and improve your strength also.
Exactly. People are not after your knowledge. I will repeat. People are not after your knowledge. People are after your skills.
Yes.
Because skills has to do with knowledge applied. What you know that you have not shown, nobody knows about it.
That means you have to convert a knowledge with your skill.
Exactly. And that is where your weak points will give way.
Yeah.
Your weak points are those things that you don't know. Okay, it is true, acceptable. You are an engineer. Identify that there are things you cannot do.
As an engineer.
As an engineer. Learn them.
Yeah.
When you learn them, you add them to your strength.
Exactly.
And that is the way you can make positive impact. That's the way you can develop yourself. I don't know if I'm making sense.
So
I don't know if I'm connecting.
Making a point.
All right. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Well, I'm so glad that you came to Professional Grace TV, and most importantly, sir, you wrote a book.
Exactly.
Global Success. Global Success. Thank you.
Yeah.
Please, sir, can you talk about it?
All right. Global success. From the name global, you know, we are not talking about playing small here.
Yeah.
We are not talking about the local stage. We are talking about the global stage. Success on the global stage is not a joke. For you to get to the global stage, you need to know who you are.
Yeah.
You need to know what you are going there to do. So that book is to prepare you for the global stage. Because if you don't know what you are going there to do, you only go there to disgrace yourself.
Yes.
So that book, Global Success, is to prepare leaders, is to prepare men and women that are ready to move from where they are to where they want to be in the place of destiny. So that is what the book is all about.
Global Success.
Yeah.
Wow, that is good. And so how can we get it?
All right, in this video, we're going to drop a link.
Yeah.
Once you click on the link, to move you directly to where you will get the book. And you can follow me on Instagram. You can order for the book on Instagram at omuna_Victor. You'll get the book immediately to you.
Yeah, and also please just rush to his channel,
Okay.
Global
Mandate
Network. Please. Yeah.
Do you know everything I do has to do with global.
The book you wrote is Global Success. The channel is global. Come on, we are going global.
We are going global.
I cue to this success.
I say amen.
Yeah, so amen. Guys, subscribe to his channel, please, and don't fail to hit the notification bell.
Yeah.
Yes, comment, like, share with your friends so that you will not miss out on any of his videos. Yeah. And also please subscribe to this channel, Progressional Grace TV, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our uploads. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we are glad, we are happy, we are excited that you stayed with us till this moment. I hope you are blessed. I hope you've gained a lot. Alright, go down to the comment section and leave your comment there. Yes, we will talk, we will chat, we can interact then. Alright, thank you for coming. We appreciate you. And sir, thank you for coming. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Thank you for sharing with your wealth of wisdom with us.
I hope I'll come again.
Of course. Of course.
God bless
Thank you. Thank you,
bless
sir.
you.
All right, guys.
All right.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Love you.
Love you.